Hello everyone, welcome back to AMAGAMA, the home of African names. In today's episode of This or That, we'll present you with 5 pairs of names that all have meanings related to love. All you have to do is cast a vote and tell us which name captured your heart from each pair of names presented. Without further ado, let's begin. First up, we have Esothando and Sesothando. Both of these names are unisex and modern. Which one won your heart from this pair? Is it Esothando or Sesothando? Let's move on to our second pair, Zanothando and Uzenothando. Both names have a masculine yet sweet sound to them. From this pair, which name speaks to your heart? Is it Zanothando or Uzenothando? Next up is Uthandwa-ndim Ndiyamthanda. Uthandwa-ndim Ndiyamthanda. These names stand out because they convey the love of one person, unlike most names that normally represent love from the family or community. For example, SIYAMTHANDA. The next pair is Alunamlinganiso Lubanzi. Alunamlinganiso can be shortened to Aluna, a nickname that is super popular right now due to the popularity of names such as ALUNAMDA and ALUNASIPHELO. Lubanzi is one of my favorite names. It's so regal and classy. Which name stood out for you? Now let's move on to our last pair for today, ALUPHELI Alunasiphelo. ALUPHELI Alunasiphelo. Both names are unisex and share the same meaning. Which one caught your attention? Is it ALUPHELI or ALUNASIPHELO? Thank you for joining us today. We hope that you found inspiration in these Xhosa names that embody love. Which names captured your heart? Let us know in the comments and we'll see you next time.